Hey, hey, yes, I am shipping in my pajamas today. That is the beauty of this business, isn't it? Flexibility. But we've got some very interesting things to ship, and I'm going to tell you what sold, how much it sold for, and you get to watch me package it up. So with that, let's go get ship done. All right, we are going to start off today not with this. I'm going to save this because I'm going to explain what's going on with this. Let's start with something simple like some acrylic candlesticks. Check these puppies out. They have little silver flecks inside. These are mid-century. Yep, I know. Whoop, where's my camera? One of them is missing the wick. They still sold for $24.99 on an offer. So I am going to get these packaged up first. And the way we're going to do that, they're not super breakable. Let's see, are they, oh man, they are just that much too short to go that way. So we're going to go this way. And I'm going to go like so, and then like so. So they're separated, but yet together. And then we'll just bring the ends over like so. Bring the end over here, like so. Actually, I'm going to go the other way, so there's a little padding on both sides. And then these are going to go in an envelope because they're really strong. And voila, they're going to go first class in a padded envelope, not a priority padded envelope, just a plain white padded envelope, like so. First one's done. Next, we are going to do this beautiful little bowl. This is called plique à jour, and it's basically like a cloisonné glass, for lack of a better term. It's really dainty, really delicate, and this sold for $37.49 on a best offer. No, sorry, on an offer to watcher. And we are going to first wrap this in some bubble really well. Like so. And it's going to go in a regular plain box because it probably is going to go first class. I'm just going to double check here. Yeah, you know, because this is so delicate, I'm going to use a slightly bigger box. At this point, though, I might want to see if the priority box, yeah, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this to priority, because then the insurance will be included and the box is just a better fit. And sometimes that's how I make those decisions. So let's go get some peanuts and box this up. And there we go. It's all safely packaged in there. And we are going to tape it up. Okay, next let's do this Getty Gold oil can. I actually have several of these for sale. I love multi-quantity listings. I can list things a little bit cheaper. Not that no, let me rephrase that. I can list lower end items. There we go. If I have several of them, because the quantity together is what makes the value of the listing. So this is about the third one that I have sold. This one sold for $12.99 on an offer to watcher. So now we're going to wrap it up. I think one sheet might do. No, well, let's see. Yeah, I think we'll be okay with one sheet. Go in the diagonal. It's close, but we made it. This is lightweight and hollow, so it's going to go first class, and I believe it'll fit in one of these. Is everything just slightly bigger than it needs to be today? You know what? I think we're still okay, because I can get the peanuts all around the sides of it, which is what really matters. Okay, so you can see it's all packaged around. The lid goes on like so, and off it goes. La Banque is on its way. Next, we have this really delicate little wooden doll. This sold for $15 on an offer. It's got these skis, which makes it a little tricky. So I had to find a box that could accommodate those skis. And this is what I came up with here. And so we are going to bubble it up first, of course. And then I think we're going to use air pillows in this to keep it in place, because it's not that it's so breakable, it's just got all these little pieces. And first I judge how it's going to sit in the box. And you can see it's going to sit in this box. I'm going to have to go a little bit at an angle to accommodate those skis. So I don't want to like fill that all up with peanuts. So we are going to use some pillows. The pillows are really good for a situation like this. And I get these from people who save them for me from their Amazon boxes. So friends and family who shop on Amazon, have them save you their little air pillows. But you got to use them fairly quick because they will lose their air. So I'm going to get this one. Even some of these have lost their air, so I'm taking those ones off. I'm going to go underneath here with one. So, there we go. There we go. Like so. Gonna get them all kind of squeezed in there with pillows to spare. And get that taped up. Done. This next order is a multi-purchase from a very good customer of mine. She got this really neat, I guess it's like a soap stone or stone, some kind of stone. It's a soap holder. I guess that's where I got the soap part from. This sold for $14.99. This nice little, it's this green box print. And it says, let him sleep, for when he wakes, he will move mountains. That sold for $19.99. Got a little tape smudge on it. Might have to fix that. And this one is, it's not a Scentsy, but it is a warmer with the lid here. It says, follow your dreams. This sold for $19.99. I'm sorry, that $14.99 on this, $19.99 on this. And so we are going to package them up and then put them in the same package. We will start with the soap holder. Get that bubble. Then we're going to bubble the picture, which I think, again, we might be able to do this way. I think so. Look at that. Look at that. And then this needs a little bit more. So we'll use a double. Now I'm going to take this off and do it separately. And we're going to roll this into the bubble wrap and try to keep the cord hanging out the bottom. I'm going to stuff that inside. And we'll just leave the cord hanging out. And now I need to wrap the top. Like so. And all of this is going to go into a number 7, which is the 12 by 12 by 8 USPS priority. But first, I have to throw some peanuts in there. All right, there we go with our first layer. We're going to start with the heaviest piece. That's going to go in first. Nestle it in there. This is going to go on its side over to one end here. Put this in here. And the little stone dish. There's how they're all going to sit in there. And then we're going to finish off the peanuts. And peanuts are filled. Let's squish down our lids. And let's tape it up. And voila, all packaged up, all 3 things ready to go. Okay, last but certainly not least, this is an authentic Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Is that how you say it? I may be saying it wrong. I'm not French. Anyway, I'm not even designer. But this is a Louis Vuitton that I put on consignment for a friend of mine. So I don't get the incomplete proceeds off of this. I usually do a 50-50 split on items that I consign because I don't take very many consignment items because I have too much of my own stuff. But on a $500 purse, I'll do a consignment. So this took a little bit to sell, and I got to tell you, it was a little gut wrenching a couple times. I got offers and they seemed good, and then I backed off and no, it's not right. I had to do a lot of research to make sure this was authentic and had the serial number. There's a picture, which I'll show a close-up here on the video because it's really hard to show it to you now. But I went through and I got it authenticated. It's the real deal. And the lady made me an offer of $521.25, which was 25% off the price. And she's very excited to get it. So I'm very excited to ship it. So when you're doing something that is this high end, this is what I'm going to tell you. Ship it bomb-proof and get all the insurance added. I don't do the USPS insurance in this case. I do a third-party insurance, which is much easier to deal with if something goes wrong. And signature delivery confirmation. You want anything over, gosh, I mean, make up your own mind. I think people expect it when you get over like $200, $250 on an item. So that's kind of my threshold. Over $200, they're going to sign for it. I don't want this left out on a porch. That costs a little extra. The shipping on this, it's going to go priority with the extra insurance and the shipping, the signature delivery confirmation. So $25 to ship. I'll take it. They paid, I think, $22 to ship. So it's costing me a few dollars extra for that extra protection. Spend the money and take care of yourself because it's your responsibility to get the things to the buyers. So it's insurance for you, not for the buyer. It's for you. So I think what I'm going to do is stuff a little bit of tissue in here just to make it nice. To give it a nice little floof to it. All right, we're going to zip it up. we are going to put it into its dust cover, which does not have the drawstring anymore, unfortunately. So we will just fold those ends over, and then I am going to bubble wrap this. I've got my larger width bubble wrap here to make it easier. Just gonna set that down and use a diagonal. I don't know why the diagonal just always works better for me. I've been doing that for a long time. Like so and like so. And then I'm also going to put some big bubble around it just for extra. Because on something like this, you don't want any chances of it getting banged up in shipping. Voila! Now, this is going to go into a number 7, I believe. And I thought I had one made. Apparently I don't. So I will make another one. Be right back. All right, here we go. Now with this, I'm not going to use peanuts because it doesn't need peanuts. But look at that. Now I'm finding out that the number 7 isn't going to work with all that bubble wrap. So I need to find a different box. I'll be right back again. All right, I think this one just might work. Let's see. No, even that's going to be a squeeze. Okay, we'll go try again. Stand by. Okay, third time's the charm, right? Good old Amazon box. Yes! Woohoo! That's gonna work. And what I'm gonna do is, again, I have some pillows that I'm going to use on the sides. I've already used my big bubble wrap, which acts as a really good cushion. So we're good there. Pillow. Pillow. And a little pillow here. We're good to go. Ta-da! All right. I'll try to take off this old label, but if I can't, I'll just put the new label on top of it. Same with the tape. We're going to cover that up right now. And there we go. Now we just turned an Amazon box into an eBay box, and this will be on its way. And that, my friends, is shipping in your pajamas. Although it's getting a little warm out here now, so it's time for me to go start my day. All right, with that, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and the little bell notification, and go be profitable and make it fun. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.